Hey guys, Alex here. I want to share some results on the AI I'm working on to check the batteries. So I'm trying to build a software that will recognize the batteries so we can collect more data as we test them and check to see if they are good or not. So maybe in the future we'll have an app that will tell you, okay, this battery has 80% chances to be good. We get an average of 2000 milliamps per cell from this battery and stuff like that. So I've trained for 8 batteries. Just wanted to see if they get differentiated properly, and it looks like there's a good chance that it works properly with more of them. I will be adding more into this. There are more algorithms that can be tested, but I found this one, it's pretty accurate and it's easy to train. So yeah, it gets it pretty good. At the moment it's working with one pack at a time. It needs more data in order to put multiple packs side by side, but still pretty cool that you can just show it to the camera, it will add it to the database, and then you can add the results into the database after you make the tests. So yeah, I will continue adding all the cells into the database. Not sure how many types there are into the 250 packs I have, but yeah, I'll come in with more details. Also, if you are into self-testing, don't forget to check out the megacellcharger.com. We're still running the crowdfunding. We managed to raise 10% of it, and we're waiting for some videos to be created by some YouTubers to get it all the way in, because we must raise $34,000 worth of orders in order to push it further. So if you like this kind of projects, if you like to automate things, don't hesitate and go there, see what's all about. I have made a video explaining the project, and yeah, we'll see you there. Make any comments on this video if you have questions, or if you have suggestion where the software should go, in what direction it should go, or if you have any ideas how to make it accurate in the future. I'm just starting working on it, so any ideas is welcome. Have a great day.